Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Regina from The Balanced Bite. As some of you guys might know, I started this journey as Regina VSG, and I was really excited about it. I had VSG surgery. I thought this time is the way I'm going to lose weight and it's going to stay off for good. Now, I did lose weight, and I actually at one point had lost like 66 pounds. Unfortunately, I fell off the wagon, like you can do easily with any diet. But just because you have weight loss surgery doesn't mean you still can't eat chips. You still can't eat fast food, although fast food to me makes me sick. So that I can't. But I was eating Cheetos. I was eating cake. I was eating cookies at Christmas. And unfortunately, my weight went from 263 to now being 284, which I am, to be honest, horrified about. But what can I do? What can I do? I can start again, right? So today happened to be my 11-month, or let's say 12-month. My surgery date was March 19th, and I'm not going to have another visit. So let's just count this as, my 1 year post-op. That means I only lost 45 pounds in essence. Only, okay, I'm not going to use that word because I did lose weight. I didn't gain weight. And so that's positive. Yes. I know I can do better. And I know the reason why this happened. It wasn't because I was eating too many carbs, healthy carbs, or I was exercising and it just wasn't coming off. It was my habits that were causing these problems. Instead of going to the gym, I was, staying here and sitting in my chair and not exercising at all. I started, occasionally having the, let's have Cheetos today, and then maybe in 2 days I'll have them again, like a whole bag, 1,400 calories. Drinking soda again. Health-wise, I feel fine. I feel really not bad at all, but I do know that I have to get things back on track. Today, I had my 12-month review with my dietitian from the weight loss clinic and the physician's assistant, kind of go over how I'm feeling, what I should be doing, etc. She suggested that I maybe get on a weight loss drug, Wegovy or Ozempic. And the dietitian wanted me to be eating 1,200 calories. I thought about it and about Ozempic, and I thought, well, maybe that could help me. But here's the thing. I've read so many studies about it that it has a lot of side effects, number one. And number two, once you get off it, your hunger comes back. So what I need to do is fix the here and now. I need to work on maintaining my meal preps, maintaining my healthy eating, and exercising. I don't think weight loss is that complicated. I think we just need to get in better routines and have better habits. So that's what I'm going to be working on. That's the decision I'm going to be making. I'm not going to be taking Ozempic, 1,200 calories. There's no way I can eat that little. I can eat 1,600 and feel good. 1,400 some days. It just depends. I know I need to drink my 96 ounces of water a day. That makes me feel good. Swimming makes me feel good. Going to the gym and lifting weights make me feel good. So that's the direction that I'm going to be taking. I'm going to say that I'm not against weight loss drugs if that's what helps you. I'm not against weight loss surgery. It was a great help for me. It gave me impetus. It gave me this tool. I can't overeat like certain things I know I can't have. I can't have super fried foods. I can't have fast foods. I knew if I eat protein, I feel good. I mean, it does help me a lot. Weight loss drugs, if that helps you, there's no judgment here. Please take it. And if it works for you and gets you healthy, I'm all for it. Just for me personally, it's just not something that I want to do. It's very expensive. My insurance company was going to be charging me $700 a month for the Wegovy. And when I looked into Ozempic just to see, it was 200 and something. That was one of the reasons why I'm not taking it. I know that I can eat well now. I've changed my habits so much. I used to never love vegetables like I like them now. I love tomatoes. I love salad. I love eggplant. I love zucchini. I mean, there's probably hardly any vegetable that I do not like now, if I prepare it right. And I think this is a reasonable approach. I will be getting on track today, and I'm going to do a weigh-in a week from today. So my weight today was 284, and I'm going to weigh in 1 week from today, and I'm going to let you guys know what that is. I'm doing that for myself for accountability, I'm not doing it for views. I'm doing it to motivate myself and motivate others that want to be on this journey with me. So my plan is, like I said, to stay at 1,600 calories. My carbs are going to be in the 100 gram range. My protein is anywhere from 80 to 100. And everything else kind of falls, the fat and the fiber. I get tons of fiber because I always either have a vegetable or fruit at each meal. I plan to have 3 good meals, and if I'm hungry, I'll have a protein-based snack. Like I have a protein bowl that I use with protein powder that's super delicious, and it's like, feels like you're having, like a pudding. I also really love hummus with vegetables. That's going to remain the same. What's not going to remain the same is having cake any longer every week, or every other day having a half a bag of Cheetos. That's not going to get me anywhere. So those things need to stop, and that's what I plan to do. When I first started my weight loss journey, I was meal prepping every week, and I had 1,200 calorie limit. This is back when it was 6 months ago. I was supposed to be eating only 800 calories a month. 800 calories a month. That would be a lot. That would be very extreme. 800 to 1,000 calories a day, and I was actually at 1,200, and I was steadily losing weight. I was at probably my lowest then, which was around 260. I was just on the edge of being 259, I remember, and I was so excited. So I know with that combined with exercise, I can do this. And I think you guys can too. I really do believe in eating well. I think the main thing, they always say that weight loss is mental, and it really is. Like, you really have to say to yourself, is this worth it? Do I need to have junk food? What are the things that are holding me back? I can tell you the things that hold me back. When I'm hungry and I don't have anything healthy to eat, I'm gonna go for the crackers. I'm gonna go for the bread that's in the drawer. I'm gonna go for things that I know that are not good for me. So if I have, like today, I have a big thing of mixed green salads. I have some chicken that I've roasted up, and I always try to have that available. I can either make tacos out of that, a chicken salad with cucumbers, which I absolutely love. It's just, you need things easy and ready to go. The meal prepping for me, if I have just a grab and go, that is the most successful for me. That's why I try to keep those going, and that's what I'm going to be doing going forward. I'm going to be doing that for you and me. I'm going to be trying to get my meal preps out. I'm going to start today, and I'm going to have it done by Tuesday of next week. And then Friday, I can give you a weigh-in video and what I eat in a day. And so not always, like if I do a 4-day meal prep and I'm on like day 5, what is it that I have in my refrigerator that I can make that's handy? Like with me, like I said, when I have roasted chicken in there, I can make so many things, you guys, like chicken salad, chicken curried salad, buffalo wraps. I mean, there's like a host of things that are easy to make, and I'm going to have those available and ready. And I'm also going to keep some frozen food, like some healthy choice, and some of those available just in case I don't have time to even do that. So it's all about figuring it out. For me, it's about planning, and it's eating healthy. And, I'm a human. I'm very disappointed because I know most of my friends that have had weight loss surgery are doing great, and they haven't fallen off like I have. I'm pretty embarrassed about that. I had a big cry today that I was doing so well, and then I did this to myself. And so, but I can't constantly beat myself up. I just have to go forward, and I need to get my healthy habits back. So I hope you can understand that. I will have, like I said, my meal prep video for next week. I'm really excited to share that with you guys. I'm going to be doing some egg cups, but they're going to have, instead of having like an egg as the base, they're going to have ham, and then you put the egg inside, and it's called a Denver egg cup, and some roasted potatoes, because I'm allowed to have carbs now. And then I'm going to be making a Greek platter with chicken, some hummus, cucumbers, really healthy stuff, some quinoa. And then for dinner, I'm making a combination of chicken fried rice with cauliflower rice and regular rice. And then again, I'm having my Premier protein shake always at the beginning because I really do like those, in my coffee, a Profi. And at the end of the night, I'll probably have a yogurt bowl or frozen yogurt, which I'll show you how to make that. So thanks for watching today. I hope you will follow me along my journey. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know if you've had VSG surgery, how it's going for you. I hope you're having great success. If you're on Ozempic, how is that going? I'm all for it. Whatever, like I said, whatever it is that makes you feel good and gets you to your goal and being healthy, that's what really matters. So thanks so much, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.